Hey, hi everyone. I'm Ronak Doshi, and I'm joined with three of our analysts from our banking financial services research. So, Lakshay, Kriti, and Pranati are driving our core banking analysis for the leading 50 technology providers in this space. So, we're very excited of this upcoming report. And we thought, let's talk about this report and what is the driver behind this one, right? And again, Pranati, I wanted to start with you, right? We talk about that transformation is core to the industry and core modernization is at the heart of this change, right? What do you see as the state of the market here, and what are the challenges banks are facing on their way to modernization?
No, Ronak, I believe that's a very point in time question. So what we've seen is that our research it indicates that core banking technology market it's hit a major milestone. It's now valued at about $13 billion globally, and that's an that's a lot of zeros. It's a lot of zeros. So banks are feeling the heat to update their core systems, and for very good reason. We're witnessing a big shift as we are moving from old school legacy systems to more cloud native API driven platforms. It's also coming from the existing regulations, the CFPB norms that are all creating that kind of a conundrum around technology. What's particularly striking and at the same time exciting is how this transformation is touching everything. It's touching operational efficiency, customer experience, compliance, and it is also driving the cost saving goals that banks have. So our report is going to emphasize that core banking isn't just about back office transformation anymore. It's
Yeah,
turning into a launch pad for innovation in banking, as we see.
no, fantastic. So, engine for growth, engine for transformation, and the resiliency that you need to kind of, navigate the complexity of compliance and financial services and continue to grow and deliver those amazing experiences that customer looks at it. So $13 billion annually being spent on this market, seems small, right? And compared to the value that it creates. So makes perfect sense. Lakshay, I want to come to you, right? You've been doing the data crunching here and kind of, you are in the middle of this, right? So I wanted to understand from you, right? What does the data tell us, right? Across geographic patterns in terms of delivery models, what have you seen as the key findings here?
Yeah, thanks, Anand. So now we have analyzed over 240 core banking deals to understand the key market trends. And our analysis, revealed some interesting patterns. So here EMEA is leading the charge in buyer activity, representing more than 30% of the deals. And this is followed by North America and APAC, which kind of shows that core modernization is now truly a global phenomena. And one of the most striking finding here is the widespread adoption of SaaS model. So more than 70% of the providers in our leading 50 list now offer SaaS-based solution. And this is not just about technology, it is fundamentally changing how banks operate, right? Through partnership with hyperscaler, these platforms are enabling banks to achieve scalability, security, and even improved cost efficiency. We are also seeing significant activity among small and mid-sized banks, indicating that modernization isn't just for the industry giants, but also becoming essential across all the banking segments.
Okay, well, good. So global phenomenon, banks of different sizes, cloud leading the way. Amazing. I think that's great. Kriti, last but not the least, right, coming over to you, right? So we've examined this landscape from multiple angles. Can you share what have been the unique recognitions and also the emerging role of industry cloud and AI as we did this analysis?
Definitely, Ronak. So, the way we did this analysis, and as you said, we have looked at it from multiple angles. So, we have looked at these core banking technology providers and if they have an offering that caters specifically to community and regional banks. At the same time, are there providers out there who cater to the unique and niche needs of credit unions? We have also looked at how many of these core banking technology providers have partnerships with hyperscalers out there, and at the same time, do they have a wide enough partnership ecosystem in the form of system integrators who can help them go to market? So these are the various lenses we have looked at. But coming back to your question on role of cloud and AI, I think the role of cloud and the role of hyperscalers has never been more prominent than it is now. These core banking providers are partnering with these hyperscalers to deliver some of these pre-built and very financial services specific out of the box capabilities that can help their banking customers accelerate transformation. And AI, I think what not we are hearing about AI to generative AI to agentic AI now, our analysis of these leading 50 providers suggests more than half of them have now incorporated AI, machine learning, and data analytics capabilities to an extent, which shows that the AI journey has begun for the technology providers and which will percolate to the BFS enterprises as well and across fraud detection, customer personalization, and even operational efficiency. So I think these are the various facets we have looked at, and very interesting piece of research to come out and sharing more, happy to share more perspectives.
No, this is exciting, right? So the democratization of data, AI, and now core banking capabilities is what is happening out of cloud. So that's amazing. So looking forward to hearing more about this report. So excited about this report coming out very soon. So this is the leading 50 core banking technology providers. We're also doing a LinkedIn Live to delve deeper onto this. So please join us on November 20th. We are going to do this at 10 a.m. Eastern. So join us. This is going to be a very exciting conversation where all four of us are going to be there, and we're going to talk about who are shaping the future of banking and share some of the results of this research. So really excited about all of this, and thank you everyone, all of you, for the amazing analysis on this. And there's a lot more to come out here. Thank you.